Hi there, welcome. My name is Errol, and in this video I'm going to show you how to tie a knot. Now this way of tying a knot is very professional. The triangle is very square and it's very business-like. So if you're going for interviews and you want to look neat, then I suggest you tie it this way. It's not a Windsor knot, it's not a four-hand knot. It is my way of tying a knot. Now firstly, before we get started, I want you to hit the subscribe button below this video, and right next to it there's the notification bell. Click the notification bell as well in order to get future notifications. Now on your bottom left hand side of this video you will find a link that says www.growwitherrol.com, and that link is for any person who would like to make money online. Now this is the only honest and legit way that I've found of making money online, and I've wasted thousands of dollars online. Now if you would like to make money while you're sleeping, then I highly suggest you check out that link. So firstly, what you're going to do is, once you've got your knot, I like to put my wide section on the left hand side, my left hand shoulder, and the narrow side on my right hand side. So once you get started, depending on the length, if you want your tie to hang very low, then you want to make the narrow side, you want to pick it up as high as possible, which will let your tie hang very low. If you want the tie to be very short, then you will drop the narrow side and pick up the wide section, which will make your tie very, very short, and the triangle will be very broad and very big. So for me, I like to play with it. I like to have a section where it's knitted. Usually there's some stitching on the tie when you buy a tie. I like to use that stitching, and then I take the wide section and I put it on top of the narrow section. Once it's on top like this, let me move forward. So basically once it's on top, then I take the wide section, I bring it around the back. Once I bring it around the back, then I take the wide section again, the tip, and I put it through the opening right here. So I put it through the opening, and then I just pull down in order to get like a pre-triangle, as you can see here. Now you want to make sure that you get this nice and neat from the word go in order to get the best possible triangle at the end. So then you want to take the wide section again, and you want to bring it around the front. Once you bring it around the front, then you take it, you bring it through the opening again, back up, so up, and then you will see it forms a loop right here. So then you take the tip and you push it through the loop, and then you start pulling it tight. Now as you're pulling it tight, you want to make sure you form your tie, because that's the way you're going to get a nice triangle, a very nice look. So as you can see, there's it. Let me show you quickly. That's basically what it looks like. And then if I start pulling it tight towards my neck, sorry, I'm heating the mic here while I'm talking to you, and then put my collar down. Now I don't have a mirror with me, so I won't be able to see if it's like in place, but then basically hopefully it's in the right section. So once you're done, then if I move forward, this is basically what it will look like. So let me know in the comments below this video whether you would like the Windsor knot, the four-hand knot, or whether you like my style of doing a knot. So, and in the meantime, like this video, share this video, and like I said, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in one of my future videos.